Hello everyone. Today's topic is going to be related with Jenkins, and this is basically showing how to create a service in Jenkins or executing Jenkins as a service. Because one of my previous videos, I was showing how to do it, but using the command line, which is not really good. So let me give you a little background what I'm talking about. I have Jenkins here installed in my Raspberry Pi. I actually downloaded the WAR in my Raspberry Pi is there in the home. So let me go to and reset the screen, clear the screen. So what I'm talking about, every time that I want to execute this one by the command line, right? I need to my session have to keep open. If my session is closed, the Jenkins is gonna be stopped. If something failed in the system and the system rebooted, my Jenkins is gonna be stopped. So this is not a good approach. So what I'm recommending here is we can use a simple service like this configuration that I have here, and they're gonna show you how to create that in the system right now. So we can check if Jenkins is available here. Let me see. It's just it's getting ready. Jenkins is gonna be full ready when you will see you will see a message here that said Jenkins is fully up and running or fully up and ready. I don't remember, but you will see that one. And how can we simulate like a failure in the system? We can just stop it once Jenkins is ready. I'll just give it a couple of seconds. Okay, complete initialization. Jenkins is fully up and running. Yeah, I was right. And there you go. You can provide your access credential here. So what happens is I do this control C is going to be shutting down. Jenkins will stop immediately. It won't be available. So this is an example. The same happens if you reboot the machine. In this case, it's my Raspberry Pi. So what we can do is we can go and see insist and etc system. Let's say here I'm gonna create a Jenkins. Let me clean the screen. Um, let's create Jenkins service, and we are gonna paste this piece of this example of this is pretty simple. It's the description of this unit is going to be Jenkins-daemon, and this where the binary of my jar is installed. There's some requirements to do this. So check my previous videos so you can see what is required, what Java version, and this is the path where I have Jenkins. This is the users I'm going to use, and this is multi-user. This doesn't matter. And then we need to do system enable actual system. This is a new Jenkins. This is a new service which you do daemon reload, and then we should do systemctl enable Jenkins. So every time the host rebooted or something, Jenkins will be a start automatically, and then systemctl service. Sorry, star Jenkins, and then we can check is the Jenkins is running. Enable, sorry, status Jenkins. There you go. Jenkins is running. I can close this one, reset. We can verify that Jenkins is running again. And how can we prove this is the right way to do it? So Jenkins is getting ready to work. So it's starting the whole process. But we can do a failure over here and we say reboot. We're gonna reboot the Raspberry Pi. And then I'm gonna try to connect. Okay, that was really fast. Just let's give a couple of minutes. Let's see if I can connect again. Yeah, sometimes taking time. Let's just wait for a couple more. But as you can see, it's really simple. It's not big deal just creating this one. It's gonna be useful because every time that your Jenkins is gonna be available all the time, running as a service. If something happening with the system, the system is going to try to restart Jenkins again because it's going to try to follow the compliance that the service need to be running. So let's start. Let's check if I can connect now. Um, let's see. Okay, there you go. And I'm in. So if I did, let me check again. studentctl status Jenkins. There you go, it's running. I didn't type any Jenkins star or Jenkins. It's running. There you go. I didn't type anything in my console. So this is the approach that I want to give you. This is pretty this is an example that you can create a unit. When you have to use this in your professional environment, you have to go a little bit more deeply. Like you need to create a Jenkins user that is only allowed to execute that the Jenkins command. You need to provide permissions to that Jenkins user to be able to execute or have some privilege on the system, and that kind of thing. But this is the right way to execute Jenkins as a service. I hope you like it. Please let me know if you need to know, if you want to know anything that is more complex in the configuration here, like environment variables, that kind of thing. I can do another video. Um, Leave your comment and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day.